Hello everyone, today we are going to build an emergency light by recycling some old stuff. We need 3-volt LEDs because we will be using a 3.7-volt battery. As we can see, all the LEDs are connected in series, and this connection needs 36 volts. Therefore, we must separate them from each other. After we separated the LEDs from each other, we must connect them in parallel. We now have 12 LEDs connected in parallel. 3.3 ohms resistor. We need a plastic tube about 4 inches long and 1 inch in diameter. Cut the positive wire to install a switch. An old laptop battery. The laptop battery consists of a group of high-quality 3.7-volt batteries, which are better than those sold in stores. TP4056 charging module. This is the charger module suitable for 3.7-volt lithium battery and contain BMS. Thanks for watching.